Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Fontenille Pataud Le Thiers here with me for a quick review. This is a beautiful knife. It's truly special to me because my dad gave this to me. Look at this. We had my nickname engraved on the back. It's just fantastic. This is not a cheap one. It's made in France, all handmade there. It's gonna be around $1,300. Overall length is 7.8 inches. When closed, this guy's gonna be 4.2 inches long. Fantastic lock back. It's phenomenal. I mean, the handles on this one are Mammoth Pulp, beautifully polished. The bolsters are Raindrop Damascus matching with the blade. Superb fit and finish. The blade is a beautiful 3.4 inch long, full flat grind. Just phenomenal. The sound this guy makes, guys, this is insane. It's beautiful. It's something unique. Fantastic. And when you open, it's like this very sweet clink, like super classy. This is a true gentleman's knife. 3.7 ounces in the pocket. There's no pocket clip, of course, because you don't need this. Fit and finish is superb. The grip, it's super smooth. Zero hot spots going on. Super smooth action, guys. This is running on washers and it's phenomenal. So if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.